Yeah, first of all, morning everyone. Thanks for joining the session, the demo session, BTP. So the agenda is for today, just give the information about the what is BTP and so who will get benefit because of this BTP services and everything. And so why SAP introduced this platform as a service to the customers, right? So this kind of information I will give you. So BTP, first of all, what is BTP? Everybody, they may search in the Google regarding this BTP. So once again, BTP is a business technology platform. So technology platform. So in the name itself, we have the platform, which means it's a platform as a service. It's a platform as a service here. It is the platform for customers. So directly they can work on the solutions, coding part and everything. So it means they may not concentrate on the installations, configurations, procuring the hardwares and etc. Right? So directly they can jump into the their concept means ready-made solutions. So all SAP, the ready-made solutions are available in the BTP platform, right? So that's why we will call it as the business technology platform. So in John 2021, SAP introduced a SAP introduced a powerful unique technology, unique solution called the BTP. SAP introduced in January 2021. SAP introduced a unique and powerful solution offering called the business technology platform. It is a the BTP is a technical foundation. It's a technical foundation for entire SAP ecosystems. Why? Because it will place a crucial role for all SAP customers and partners. It plays a very crucial role. SAP crucial role, this one here, BTP. So normally BTP, normally everybody know this terminology, right? So there are some SAP, the cloud-based terminology. Cloud-based terminology means, so here there are some important cloud-based terminologies IaaS, like cloud terminologies, cloud, so terminologies, right? So cloud terminologies so terms so IaaS, then so PaaS, then SaaS, so infrastructure as a service. PaaS means so platform as a service, and so software as a service here. I will give you a little bit more information about what is this services here. So why, yes, so why there are the three main categories of types of cloud services are available here. Three main types of cloud services here, right? So one is the IaaS, infrastructure as a service. IaaS is like a renting a computer in the cloud. In the cloud, we are renting a computer. So, which means we will get the servers, storage, network, memory, so hardware, everything, the basic everything we will get from here. Then, if we decide to install the software, we can install the directly on the software. Then we can use it here. Means here the infrastructure we are getting the some space, so and also we are getting the infrastructures means, so who will provide the infrastructure to his, why? Because these all are called the infrastructure. CPU, memory, all those things are the infrastructure here. So who will provide the infrastructure here? There are the several companies offers the IaaS services here, right? Infrastructure as a services here. So in that some companies we know like AWS, like Azure, right? And also GCP, Google platform, and also SAP Hack, and also there are the SAP. These are the some Alibaba Cloud, IBM Cloud. There are the some, so services are there here. Some companies are there. They will offer the IaaS service here. In that, some of the the known companies like AWS, Azure, GCP. These are the main important infrastructure providers. They will provide the infrastructure to us so that we can directly focus on the building and running on our digital applications on this platform. And also we have the platform as a service. IaaS means only they will provide the infrastructure. What about the PaaS, platform as a service here? So the PaaS offers the ready-made platform for developments, handling the services. So some under the infrastructure means on top of the infrastructure, they will provide us some services to us so that we can use those services. We can directly focus on the codings and ready-made some of the technical apps creations. So it kind of ready to use the kitchen instead of building one from the scratch. So the kitchen is ready-made kitchen is available. So directly we can go and cook it out. So you no need to just taking the renting of the ready-made kitchen. It kind of platform as a service here. Instead of building the kitchen and everything, ready-made kitchen is available here, right? So it provides the services for developers to create, test, and worry. So then deploying the applications and everything. They no need to worry about the underlying infrastructure, installation of the services, in the maintenance of the services, all those things here. So in the same category, BTP, all the BTP services and the solutions comes under the picture here. All the BTP solutions and services comes under the platform as a service, so that we can directly focus on the main logic, our business, right? Instead of procuring the hardware, wasting the time, saving the, so all those things here. So we can use the BTP to take care of all the technical aspects. The behind the scenes, it will take care of the all the technical aspects here. So BTP is a platform as a service here. Under the platform, SAP provides us the many services and solutions depends upon the our business. We can subscribe those services and we can start using it here. You no need to worry about the underlying infrastructures. You no need to worry about the infrastructure and everything here. So directly installations, procuring the hardware, all those things here. Directly here, SAP will take care of all those things here, right? So what about the SaaS? So software as a service here. Here seems like a rent of the not only infrastructure, you are renting a software infrastructure of, so instead of buying, you are renting the software. You are renting the software instead of so buying it here, right? So you can access, use the software over the internet. So there is no need to installations. So there is no need to installation, right? Directly you are taking the rent of the software, like some of the SAP public clouds, right? Public clouds and everything here. Public clouds means just software, only data is yours. Your software also you are taking the rent here. So in that case, some example like Gmail, Google Documents, some of the more online services will comes under the software as a service here, right? So these are the some of the cloud terminologies. In that cloud terminology, BTP comes under platform as a service here. BTP comes under the platform as a service here. So who will get benefit because of this BTP services and everything here? So existing customers, they can get the benefits. Sir, only existing customers, not only new customers. Yes, it's more useful for the new organization, means in the new customers as well. So if an existing SAP customers, the existing SAP customers, and also existing SAP customers and the new SAP, the customers also, they can benefit, they will get benefit because of the BTP services. Because of, so there is a organization, suppose take the organization, they want to build a new cloud-based solutions or mobile solutions. In that case, so they need to integrate the multiple SAP systems and automate the business complex process and some of that technologies, right? In that case, so they need to have the all those things, infrastructure and everything here. Also, The existing customer who wants to build the cloud solution, they want to extend, means the customer already in the on-premise solutions, they want to extend the cloud-based solutions here. Then in this case, they can also, the customer also need the some integrations between the systems, applications, some of the business process, so and also scalability, like some of the things they required. In the both the scenario, means existing customers, they want to go for the cloud-based solutions. The new customer, they want to directly go for the cloud-based solutions. In that case, in the both the scenarios, organization, the common point is organization wants to build a new solution with minimum efforts, low cost, and faster time to market, right? But because if you want to build the SAP system, what you required, you need a SAP system, like you need to procure the hardware, there you will take some time, right? Then OS building some time, like you need the license also, right? Then after that, so the file system mount points and configurations, then SAP softwares, procuring the softwares, SAP installations, so lot configurations, managing the software, licensing, purchasing, or lot of things are there, right? So to build it to for the new customers, they want to go for the solutions, they want to go for the all those things here, right? So, but customer, they don't have the time, they don't prefer to spend the money also for this one, lot of money. They are the operating system licenses, right? Network, separate data center, they need to make the lot of money they have to spend during the project go live times, right? So in that case, SAP come up with the one solution, one solutions and services in the BTP, which means in the BTP, whatever the customer needs, all the services and solutions are ready made. It is available under the BTP. We can directly log into the BTP cockpit. There we can just subscribe the service. We can start using it here, right? You no need to worry about the hardware, infrastructure, network, all those things here. Directly you can concentrate on the your logic here. This is what the customer prefer, right? They don't want to prefer the spend the money, more money, and landscape setup, system installations, configurations, especially the installations, configuration, landscape setup is the one thing here. And support and maintenance activities are the regular activities here. Then they don't want to spend the money on these things here, and all those things, separate infrastructure, they don't want to go for. So that's why SAP come up, SAP BTP is an offering from SAP to fulfill all these requirements in one shop. Like in one shop, BTP is one umbrella. In one umbrella, all the solutions and all the services are brought under one umbrella here. So BTP is a portfolio of the SAP solutions and services. Why I mentioned as a portfolio of SAP solutions and services means they have brought all the services and solutions under one umbrella. So these services and SAP services and solutions, whatever that they are providing under the BTP, that helps organizations to build a new cloud-based solutions or to extend their SAP system, on-premise SAP systems on the cloud, it will accept. So in other words, I can say BTP is a bundle of many different solutions and services are available. So these services, we can use it for innovations, development related, monitoring, so databases related services to show the data, above functionalities and runtime services. It give you the access to the all the solutions here, all the solutions here, right? So that is the, so BTP one-stop shop solution for all the BTP services here, right? The who will get benefit means existing customers as well as the new SAP customers also will get benefit on this area, right? So coming to the BTP, like SAP, so as I mentioned here, all their services and solutions, so they have brought into in the BTP, right? In the BTP, they have categorized into the 5 main pillars, all their solutions. So they're categorized into the 5 main pillars, 5 main So pillars in the BTP here. So in that, the first pillar is called the SAP, means all their services and solutions they have categorized into the 5 main services here. One is the application development, then automation kind of functionalities here, then integration, then integration related services here, then fourth one, the database and data analytics here, data and data analytics services here. The fifth one is called the AI, artificial intelligence. Previously, it was only four. Now, the fifth pillar they have introduced into the BTP market, and it's called the AI, artificial intelligence. Means the generative AI related services, also the Launchpad AI core. There are multiple services they have introduced into the AI in this pillar, right? So they have here, right? AI core, AI Launchpad, AI business services, all are comes under the AI. So databases, analytics cloud, SAC, DataSphere, and MDZ and ANA cloud, all are comes under the in this pillar here. Integration related things like integration suites, business suites, all those things under automation kind of like business process automation, Fiori apps, workflows, all those comes under the automation. So then development related services here, building the apps, work zone, runtime services, DevOps, SAP DevOps related services here, right? All the comes under the application development. That's why, so there all the solutions and service, whatever they are providing, they have categorized into the 5 main pillars. So these are the 5 main pillars in the BTP here, right? So where can I check the services and how can I access, how can I use them, right? So in the SAP Discovery Center, right? If you go to the SAP Discovery Center, in the SAP Discovery Center, all the BTP related services and solutions are so available here, right? You can see here all the BTP related, all the services, currently 93 services BTP, all are available here, right? AI. So AI related services also here, right? So AI related services, AI launch and all those things here, right? DevOps related, database management related, all these services. So all are a core, the many things they are available in the, so in the here SAP ABAP environment, database related things here, automation pilots, development tools, cloud transport management system here. So to all the things, form survey, ADS services, so identity provisioning. So there are the many things are there available in the BTP. So data sphere. So we can use all those things under in the BTP here. So whatever the, as per your business requirement is required. So whatever the business requirement is required here. So we need to have all these services here. All the services here. We need all the services are required here. BTP, all the that's why SAP said here, SAP said here, all their services solutions are categorized into so 5 main services. So it's a one-stop solution for all the one-stop solution. So one stop we will get the all the things here. One stop we will get the all the things here, right? So that is the BTP. So in 2021, SAP introduced, means SAP introduced in the SAP BTP is introduced in the not 2021. So in the 2012 itself, SAP introduced into the PaaS market. 2012 itself, SAP introduced into the PaaS market with the SAP NetWeaver Cloud. The short name is called the SAP Neo NetWeaver Cloud, right? NetWeaver Cloud here, right? So then after that, HANA Cloud Platform, SAP Cloud Platform, now BTP, they have rebranded their platform to the SAP BTP, rebranded their platform. They have rebranded to SAP BTP. The more information, history, all those things in our coming classes, I can give you here, right? So here, that is the main thing of the BTP. Coming to the our syllabus, which we are going to discuss about the, So the mode account models overview, some of the pricing models, basic platform concepts here. So and also the services, security, BTP related somewhat some level security, integration, IDP integrations here, global accounts, sub accounts, directories, tools, all the BTP related to the Fiori launchpads, business integration suites, right? The backend system configuration, HANA Cloud, theme designers, so BTP, the cloud. So main thing is here the cloud ALM, right? Cloud ALM related. So cloud ALM is replacement of the solution manager. So the maintenance of the solution manager is going to end in end of 2027. That is going to sunset. So cloud ALM is the next one of the monitoring tool. This is also pure configuration, alerts monitoring, dashboards monitoring. So ADS service related things here, right? All those things we are going to, so we are going to discuss in our regular classes here. This is about the our so training like content here. I will share you in the group so you can also go through it here. Okay. So this is about the our training course content, right? So the coming to the timelines. Okay. So coming